What Juicy say? Real ass
bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga.
What's poppin', crazy mom? I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make lip gloss. If you don't know, I have a business of my own. It's called Fairytalekollection with a K. Go check that out on Instagram. First, I start by cleaning the table, and I mix it with some bleach and some Fabuloso. I make sure the area is clean before I start making lip gloss. After I finish cleaning the table, I start to wash my hands and make sure my hands are clean before I start anything.
You sit down, you sit down, you sit down,
Since I will only be making a small batch, I will be using a paper plate. I will be using pipettes and syringes, which I ordered from TKB Trading. These will help me fill up the lip gloss tubes faster and easier and reduce the mess.
sit down, you sit down, you sit down, you like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
Next, I filled a bowl up with soap and water, which I will be placing my lip gloss tubes in so they can be washed and cleaned before I put lip gloss in them. Before I start, I like to mix all of my base in a bowl and pour all of my oils in it, so when I begin to make lip gloss, it will already be made.
Sit down, sit down,
that I added the base on the plate, I will be adding some hollow glitter, which is safe for lips, and some flavoring oil to the base. Now I will be taking the lip gloss tubes out and drying them off. Now I will be filling the lip gloss tubes up, but I will advise to get a bigger syringe so you won't have to keep refilling the syringe back up again.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
After I put the tops on them, I put them back in the soap and water, washed them off, and then you will see the next clip of them in the sun.